Updating your house decor is a wonderful way to breathe new life into your living space and infuse it with renewed energy and style. If you are looking for subtle changes or a complete transformation, there are various ways to refresh your decor and create more inviting, inspiring atmosphere. One of the easiest ways to update your house decor is by rearranging your furniture. Experiment with different layouts to create a fresh and dynamic flow. Consider changing the orientation of sofas, chairs, and tables to give your space a new perspective. Change the color palette can significantly transform the mood of your home. Consider repainting walls with a new color or introducing accent colors through decorative accessories, cushions, throws, and artwork. Choose views that resonate with your desired ambience. Introduce trendy accessories to give your decor a modern twist. Swap out old throw pillows for new ones in the latest patterns or styles. Add contemporary vases, decorative bowls, or wall art that aligns with current design trends. Bringing nature indoors can instantly refresh your decor. Add indoor plants or fresh flowers to infuse life and vibrancy. Natural textures like jute, rattan, and wood can add warmth and a touch of the outdoors. Changing your lighting fixtures can have a dramatic impact on decor. Replace outdated light fixtures with stylish pendant lights or wall sconces. Consider using dimmable lighting to create various moods. Add a personal touch to your decor by displaying artwork that resonates with you. Whether it's paintings, photographs, or prints, art can express your individuality and elevate the aesthetic of your space. Updating your house decor is an exciting journey that allows you to reimagine living space. Whether choose to rearrange furniture, update the color palette, incorporate trendy accessories, embrace natural elements, update lighting, or personalize with artwork, these creative approaches can transform your home into more inviting, inspiring environment. Casa Custom offers a range of decor solutions to help you refresh your space. Explore how we can assist you. Contact us today too. In updating your house decor and creating a home that reflects your style and personality. Follow us and get more details.